Introduction. A computer does not understand time. For a machine, time equals a command. Open binary time dot py. Binary time grid. Each row in the visualization represents a unique timestamp. Each column represents a single bit in a 32-bit binary number. 0 is off, black, a quiet bit. 1 is on, magenta, an active bit. There is no past, no present, no future, only execution. Time is an abstraction, a human construct, reflected in the digital design. Terminal interaction. Unix and the start of an epoch. On January 1st, 1970, at 000 UTC, Unix time began. An arbitrary date, upon which all modern computing time is structured. The so-called Unix epoch. Epoch. According to the Oxford English Dictionary, the word epoch is defined as follows. Epoch, noun. The beginning of a new era or distinctive period in the history of humankind. Dennis Ritchie and Ken Thompson, the creators of Unix, implemented the epoch as the reference for time storage and calculation. Time in Unix is not continuous. It is discrete. Every event, every file modification, every process execution is a stored number, a timestamp. A number increasing, never decreasing. A linear structure. Since its beginnings, Unix, as most other operating systems, had a strong focus on progress, efficiency, and speed.
Unix started out as a two-man effort. What Ken Thompson and Dennis Ritchie started developing then has evolved into the Unix operating system.
There's a tremendous need for better techniques and tools to make our work more productive.
All of these things make our life much easier.
We've made some progress, but it's clearly not done yet.
We have the same problem in programming productivity today. We need lots of techniques and tools to make this more productive.
And I think this is one of the reasons why Unix is a very productive system for most of us.
It makes Unix an extremely powerful programming tool.
But who decides what time it is? Time servers are maintained by institutions, governments, corporations, military agencies. GPS-based time synchronization is controlled by the United States Department of Defense. The Department of Defense is America's largest government agency. Its mission is to provide the military forces needed to deter war and ensure the nation's security. GPS roles and responsibilities. Develops, acquires, operates, sustains, and secures the global positioning system, including the satellites, control segment, and military user equipment. Applies GPS technology to a broad variety of military operations, including precision-guided munition strike, force tracking, search and rescue, and remote piloting of unmanned aerial vehicles. Unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, were originally developed through the 20th century for military missions too dull, dirty, or dangerous for humans, and by the 21st, they had become essential assets to most militaries. Alternative timekeeping store infrastructures exist, but they do not function outside the logic of synchronization itself. So when your machine queries an NTP server, it is not simply asking for the time, it is participating in a system of control, a networked consensus that you never chose. Let's query the machine. How do you define network time? From which network does your time come from? Who governs the synchronization?